Hi everyone, it's me, Koopa Trooper, and today I have been told to play this game called Subway Surf. What's Subway Surf? Iggy, what's Subway Surf? It's supposed to say Subway Surfers, you idiot! Oh, so today I'm going to be playing Subway Surfers, and not Subway Surf. But, huh? Please enter your age. Is this age restricted? Well, I guess I'll go ahead and do that, but I don't know. What is this? Why are you spraying on a train? Tap to play. I guess I'll tap. What is this? What? What was I supposed to do? Huh? Oh, I was meant to swipe up, okay. What's this? Oh, is that I'm supposed to swipe down? Let me try. Swipe down. Oh, I get it now. Fresh moves. Slide. That. What is this game? What am I doing? Double tap for hoverboard? No way! I'm riding a hoverboard. What are these on the side? Am I supposed to... Why is there a guard chasing us? Ooh, money! Up, down. What is this? What am I doing? Why are the coins scattered around? Am I just collect as many coins as possible? This is really hard, guys. I don't know what I'm doing. Why would I recommend myself this game? This is up, down. Is that one I can do any? Yeah, that one I can do any, I think. What's that? Is that? What is that? What is that? What does that do? How am I supposed to know that was coming for me? You high score 1,881. What does that mean? What does new high score mean? Guys, can you tell me what new high score means? Because I have absolutely no idea. And share. Should I press it? No, let's not. Tap to continue. Oh my god, the guy's running like really slow. It's like, oh my god, it's like jogging or something. I don't even know. But it says at the bottom, tap to continue. Okay. Mission set 1. Score multiplier 1 out of 30. What does that mean? Plus what? What is all this? Pick up 20 coins. Completed. Score 500 points in 1 run. Completed. Jump 5 times. Completed. Did I do all that? Tap to continue, I guess. What is this? Unlocks at ×4. Complete missions to unlock daily high scores. High score. What is all this? Add friends to compete for the highest score. I don't have any friends apart from Yoshi, so I can't really do that. Get rewards. Watch video. 3. What are these at the bottom? I want to see what this one is. What is that? What the I don't like this. I'm just gonna press X. What does play do? Play make me play it again. What about the home? Okay. What is all this? I'm just gonna press play so I can play again. What is that? Cap! Okay. Guys, I'm surprised that we're doing really well. Ooh, let me get that. What is that? No way. It's, what is it called? What is that? I got a cap? What does the cap do, guys? Do you know? Is that a key? This game makes no sense, guys. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. This game makes no sense. What does that do? Whoa! What? I missed the A. Does it matter? Will I have another chance to get it? Times 2. Whoa! It connects it from all areas? I love that! Oh. What am I doing? I'll get the cap or whatever it is. I have another chance to get an E. Oh, so when you miss a letter, you have another. It gives you another chance to get it. Okay, I kind of like this game. It's pretty chill. And then we just do all this. Move to that side. I can jump over. How did I not make that? Continue. Only 8,345 points to beat. To beat who? Anyways, new high score. 5,917. That's pretty good, right? I don't think anyone's done better than that. Mission set 2. Score multiplier 2 out of 30. Plus 1 star. Let's see what I've completed then. Pick up 100 coins in 1 run. Completed. Jump 15 times. Completed. Pick up 2 pogo sticks. Completed. Guys, what are pogo sticks? Can someone tell me what pogo sticks are? Because I have absolutely no idea. Tap to continue. Okay. What is this? Prizes? What happens if I press that? Oh, it shows you what all the prizes I can get. Hoverboards. 1 to 3. Score booster. Keys. Trophies. I didn't know you get trophies in this game, but anyways. Coins. Head starts. Wait, what's a head start? Anyways. Tokens. Wait, there's 2 different types of coins? Wait, sorry. There's 3 different kinds of coins that you can get in a mystery box. That's a bit weird, but I'll just press and see what I'll get. 1,000 coins. I'm not watching an ad, because that'll probably make us get copyrighted and that kind of stuff. Why would I press that? Oh, it just takes me home. Welcome to Subway Classic. Season end in 14D4H. What does that mean? Anyway, collect this season's items. Season tokens, event coins. What is all this? I get to do loads of stuff? What the heck? Free? What does that mean? Claim? Okay. Oh, it's another mystery box. What is it this time? 1 score booster. What's a score booster? Anyway. Oh, that includes that. I'm not doing that. Huh? Daily login. Check in daily to get rewards. Claim missed days to catch up. What are season tokens? Go to the season hunt to claim new rewards. Okay. Is that a hot dog? Or is that a sandwich? Log in 20 times to get Mayo Mania. Okay. Claim reward. New season hunt. Subway Classic. Welcome to the new season hunt. I've got... Whoa! There's a lot of gifts you can get. Claim. Subway Classic. 500 event coins. Okay, and what is this? 2 keys. I've got 9 keys. Oh my god. Wait, collect the letters. This makes no sense, guys. I have no idea. What is that? Welcome. Here's something to get you started in World Tour. Claim. 200 coins. Okay. 1 head start. That's not bad. 1 score booster. Okay. 5x hoverboards. What does the 5x mean? Oh well. Nothing to see here right now. Okay. That includes money. We're not going to do that. Let's just play, I guess. What happens if I use this? Whoa! I can use a map for 3 times. Whoa, my score's going up really fast. This is crazy. Oh my god, it's so fast. Why is it so fast? Guys, why is it so fast? Festive Nina. Who's Festive Nina? Anyway. New high score. 11,058. Okay. I'm doing that again. That was fun. I'll only use one of them. That's like a decent amount. That's like a decent speed for me. Now let's just go on these train thingies. Is it a train or is it a bus? Oh wait, no, it's a train because it's not on a rail track. Who is that fat guy behind us? Anyways. What are these platforms? Why do some areas have railway tracks and some don't? Oh, what is this? I've never seen this part. This is crazy. Ooh, there's a fine thing. I really don't like this. Let's do this. I'm doing this, and I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just doing random stuff. I'm just playing the game, I guess. Not always quick. You have to be really quick with your fingers when it comes to this. I have no idea how much longer I can take of this. It's actually getting on my nerves, but... Whoa! I forgot that happened. Whoa, why is it so fast? It's so fast! God, that was so fast! God, I almost crashed. Ah! God, this is actually scaring me now. God, this is actually scaring me now. Thank you. Guys, this is scaring me. What do I do? What was that? Hovering George? Who's Hovering George? Anyway. New high score. Whoa! 52,093! I don't think anyone could get higher than 10,000. But anyways. 1x Jake spray can. I don't know. And another one. 1 key. Alright then. Let's see what else. Save now. What is... Yeah, we're not doing that. Me? What have I got to do with this? Boards? Oh my god, that's so cool. Characters. Wait, you can get different characters? Oh my god, you've got to pay a lot for these though. Oh my god. I need to save up a lot of these. Subway Studio. What the heck? What is this? Subway Studio? There is no way. This is actually awesome. I'm gonna take a picture. Oh my god. That looks fire. Share. There's no save button? Oh, I'm gonna have to cancel it. Delete. Sorry. I'm not sharing anything. It'll ruin our video. Missions. Missions and multipliers. Score 10,000 points. Completed. Roll 15 times. Completed. Achievements. What is this? Mission Master. Bronze Award. Mission Master. And Mission Award Silver Mission Master. Gold Award. I've got a gold award. Oh my god. Bronze Award. Super Surfer Agent. I've almost got enough for keys for a character. I'm gonna do this one more time and see if I can get a character. I'm not gonna end this video until I can get at least one new character. Because this is awesome. This is sick. And just needs one key. One key. I think. Or is it one of those headphones things? No, I think it's a key. Yeah, it's a key. Come on. Where are the keys? What is that? Anyways. I'm just gonna keep doing this. Let's see. Ah! Ah! God, I hate this part. This part gets my nose. It really creeps me out. I thought that was gonna move. I legit thought that was gonna move. Give me a. Whoa! Forget that happens. At least it's kind of like a normal speed. I've got almost all the coins. I'm so good. Come on. Where are the keys? Where are the keys? I've got a box that might have a key in it, I think. I really don't know. Where are the keys? Where are the keys? I'm going to the back, but I don't know where the keys are. Oh, where are they? Do I actually have to go in the middle gap like that? That's kind of weird. I don't like that. No. No. No, just something's gonna go fast. No. I don't like this. It's too fast. It went way too fast. I don't like this. Wait, I ran into a bush and now... No! I don't like this! This is... What the heck? I didn't get a single key! Please tell me it's a key. 3x hoverboard. I didn't get a key! Climb one head start. I want a key. Open box. Please. 13x Jake spray can. Oh my god. I'm not gonna get a key, am I? Oh, I might as well just give up, guys. Daily gift? I get a daily gift? Oh my god. Please, please. 2x freshest stereo. I'm gonna spend 500 on that. 1 key! That's exactly what I need! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Go on me. Where was that guy? Ella. Ella. Why are there so many Ellas? Which Ella looks the best for 30? What is this? Alter ego. Wait, are they all the same person? Yeah, I think they are. They've got the same earrings. Anyways. I'll just go for this one. Ella! I've got it! Oh, I could have gotten Vamp King. Or Ninja, I don't really care to be honest. Missions. I'm so happy. Quest. Jump 10 times. Wait, events unlocked? Wait, you can unlock events? World Tour events. New event. No floor challenge. Season challenge. Plant invasion. Marathon. No, you know what? I'm actually going to end it there for today. I absolutely cannot believe I've got Ella. You know what? I'll do it once with Ella. I'm going to do it once with Ella for today. And then I'm going to wrap it up because I absolutely just can't believe I've got Ella. I'm playing as a girl. Oh damn! I did not mean for that to happen. Sorry, Ella. Cut. Yes. Oh, I've got another one of them jump boost boot thingies. What the heck? Aww. I did do for 2,000. I didn't even get 3,000. Aww. Well guys, I think that's going to be it for today, and if you want to play more, what is it called again? Oh yeah, it says on there. If you want me to play more Subway Surfers, please let me know, but I will be doing a part 2 because of these challenges. I really want to get these challenges done. But that's going to be it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next Koopa Troopa Play Subway Surfers video. Goodbye!